My lord, we have obtained the consent of the other side. This matter may kindly pass over for the day, madam. He has some medical emergency.
Okay, okay. On a request made on behalf of Miss M. Burman, learned amicus curiae for the appellant, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks.
Highly obliged.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 2, Lordship, for
Yes.
adjournment, Lordship. Lordship, my senior is out of station, Lordship. I have taken
Who is
consent
your
of the-
senior?
Lordship.
Who is
But-
your senior?
S. Borgohain, Lordship.
17 matter, why are you taking time criminal appeal? On a request made on behalf of the appellant, matter is adjourned by 2 weeks.
1 week, Lordship, permit.
Adjourned by a week, 1 week, by a by a week, yes.
I'm due, Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention that interlocutory objection for this.
IA for?
I for civil in a writ petition numbers 3701 of the
This is a division bench, not now. Don't make a mention. Is it a division bench matter?
Lordship, respondent is removing the structure and
Is it a division bench matter or single bench matter?
civil bench.
Single bench or division bench?
I am not aware of the other case.
Probably not of the DB matter. Yes, next.
Matter 8, my lord.
Yes,
Matter we adjourn for 2 weeks.
same order, 2 weeks. Huh? Inform the other side.
Uh,
There's a private respondent NK Das. Without informing, why should we pass orders? You inform him. Who is Mr. NK Das, madam? Bhuyan?
MK that's
Thank you, sir. I tried to contact him, but he's only not.
MK or MK.
Okay, my lord, I will inform
You inform him and then come. We are not passing any orders.
my lord.
লিখিত দিয়া কিন্তু একো নকৰিব
Lordship, I beg to mention for a MAT appeal, my lord, the delay has been already condoned, my lord, and it was not fixed. Therefore, I am praying for on Friday, my
for admission.
for the first time it will come.
Admission, okay,
Yes.
Friday.
High level.
It is. Document item number 4 of today's.
Yes.
I'm praying for an adjournment for the.
4 is connected with 3.
Yes,
4 is connected with 3.
Hmm.
Sir, can it be fixed on Friday, my lord? Mr. NS Lester will conducting the case. He is out.
Okay, we'll have next week. Friday may not be possible. Next week. Okay.
One more prayer, my lord.
On a request made on behalf of the appellants, matter is adjourned by a week. Yes.
One more prayer, my lord, for listing of an IA.
IA for
IA for
suspension.
suspension.
When do you want?
Next week.
Coming for the first time.
No, your lordship, it was IA is pending, my lord. Report was.
Notice has
not-
been issued in the IA.
Yes, your lord.
Yeah, okay, next Monday.
Next. Deep.
My lord, item 8, my lord, I have already taken consent, my lord.
Okay,
Phone.
same, huh?
Public.
Item 1 for hearing.
Against acquittal. Okay, so what is the what was the charge?
Charge under 302, 364,
How many accused persons?
and there are more than 1 year of.
6 accused persons. And there are eyewitnesses. Circumstantial evidence. How was the death caused?
Lordship, the prosecution tried to bring the child the last scene together. I don't
But
think.
that was caused by injuries or what?
Yes.
Bodily injuries?
Yes.
Not poisoning and all?
Viscera report was not like, it was uncertain, like, it was lack of material. Yes.
What was the kind of injuries found?
Lordship, may kindly have a look at that. Postmortem report, it pays 94.
Hmm.
Lacerated, page 95, lacerated wound over the right ear with swelling over the right temporal region. Diffuse swelling with laceration over the entire area of left side of neck. There is sign of hemorrhage in the mouth. cavity.
Laceration size, what is the size? No size.
Right,
Okay, only laceration.
yes. Then there is sign of hemorrhage in the mouth cavity with laceration of lips, gums, break of two upper middle incisor teeth, abdomen distended, pelvic area does not show extended injury or something like that. So, right,
What is the opinion?
Op-
Caused by blunt weapons.
due to internal hemorrhage from ruptured liver and jaw. Dead body was recovered, she was last seen after 2-3 days, it was recovered in her canal.
You want time?
Sir.
Today itself or what?
Any other,
We would have heard this matter. How many witnesses?
There are 15 witnesses.
15. Okay, what do you do then? He wants some time. Okay. Yes, when? Monday next. Okay. While Ms. B. Bhuyalan, Senior Counsel and Additional PP Assam is present for the state of Assam, is present for the appellant state, a prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri J.I. Borbhuya, learned counsel for the respondents. Para. Considering the same, matter is adjourned to be listed on Monday. Date, huh? For
Right.
hearing.
I think 5.
5. A. Ahmed.
Yes, Your Lordship. If the matter can be passed over, my senior colleague at another,
Okay, for the time being, huh?
I think 6.
Item 5 of your paper book is not provided for. us.
Item
Today it
5,
was provided
not provided.
by the
No. Well, then we'll have, get the, ask the, maybe it has been done because only 2 paper books are here. It has been done, maybe given to the office. How many pages? Paper book? Okay.
between
Item number 5, huh? Ms. B, here,
The Xerox of
yes. No, we'll ask the office to give
Right.
one. If it, but office, yes. Ms. B, we had a senior counsel and additional PP, Assam, has submitted that the paper book is not readily available in the office records. Para. In view of the above, registry is directed to make a copy of the paper book and serve the same in the office of the PP Assam within a period of a week, and the matter may be listed for hearing thereafter. Okay.
Item 6.
Less than good. Jyotish, yes, Mr.
my
Lal.
lord. This is daily appeal,
How many, ma'am, this time?
life imprisonment,
How many witnesses?
10 with them. Convicted under 302 and 201.
Your amicus.
Am I correct?
Who would be appearing? Madam will be appearing. Yes, please. Yes, please.
My lord, the FIR was filed by the brother of the victim. FIR starts from page 1. And the FIR is page 4.
Yes.
My lord, I just read the FIR small one. I have the honor to state that around 7 p.m. on 2/7/2017, Sri Jyotish Buragohai, husband of my elder sister Vinita Buragohai, a resident of Palikhitia village under Sapekati police station, hacked my elder sister Vinita Buragohai to death with sharp weapons. Around 7:30 a.m. today, that is on 3rd of July 2017, when my brother-in-law Jyotish brought the dead body of my elder sister to nearby forest to bury her, it came to the notice of the public, and then the public and the police of Tapekati police station apprehended my brother-in-law and took him to the PS. Learning about the incident over phone, I went to the place of occurrence and came to know about the incident in detail from the public. I therefore pray you to take necessary legal action. Accused. My lord, there are as many as 10 witnesses. Nobody has seen the uh, happening of the incident, but everybody, all these witnesses, except the CEO and the medical officer, those villagers, the cultivators, they have seen that the accused was carrying the dead body of her wife and was trying to bury in the jungle. And at that time, he was apprehended. May I take your lordship to first witness PW1, page 9. There is no eyewitness. The
Yes.
page 9 is PW1, who is also a cultivator profession. Small deposition. I just read.
Yes, please.
PW1 says on oath, I do not know the informant. I know the disease as well as
These
know
young
the
people are interns. Have a seat. There are seats vacant. Don't stand. Who is he?
he is the cultivator nearby the
Resident of the locality,
resident of the locality,
villager.
villager.
Who villager?
At the morning time,
Please
they-
read. I do not know the informant. I knew the deceased.
Yes.
Please read.
the incident occurred around 9 months ago. We heard that the accused killed his wife and went to bury her. We went to see the people caught him. I saw cut injury on the neck of the deceased. The accused was apprehended. The police seized the dao from the house of the accused. Exhibit 1 is the list. Exhibit 1 is my signature. In cross-examination, he says, except the dao, no other article was seized in my presence.
He is a Caesar witness.
This is a witness of the dao. Exhibit 1.
Yes.
Now the PW2 He is the president. He is also a cultivator, my lord. Sorry. He's also a cultivator,
Co-villager.
Hmm.
Co-villager.
co-villager,
He was the president of the VDP.
VDP.
Yes, what did he say?
He says, I know the accused as well as the informant. The occurrence took place on 3/7/2017. I do not know the time. At that time, I was the president of the BDP. Rajiv informed me that a murder had taken place. We went to Parania Pathar. We saw that the accused was standing with a hoe. The dead body of his wife was nearby. The public thought him. We saw injury on the dead body. The head was almost severed. Only a piece of skin was holding the head. Later, the head got severe. There was a cut injury in the leg. When we asked the accused about the incident, he replied that he had killed his wife. Police seized the dao and hoe. The hoe was found in the field. In the house, a dao and an axe was found in the hair, with the hair and blood stuck on them. Exhibit 1 is the scissor list. Exhibit 1-2 is my signature therein. I have seen the material exhibit 1, the hoe in the court. The police did not obtain my signature when they seized the dao and axe. In cross says there were 50 people in the field when I went there. I do not know at what time she was killed. I did not state before the police about the confession of the accused that he had killed his wife.
Well, how is this connected? The last three lines in the chief examination. Exhibit 1 is the scissor list,
Scissor list.
right?
Yes.
Exhibit 1-2 is my signature therein.
Huh.
I have seen the material exhibit 1, the hoe in the
Court.
court. Police did not obtain my signature when they seized the dao and axe.
My lord, there are 3 weapons. First one is a hoe, then a dao and an axe.
Axe.
3 but
Yes.
2 only was material exhibit. Out of these 3, 2 were exhibited. And dao in FSL, it was stated that there is negative.
See, there is a difference between exhibits. One is a scissor list. It's a paper exhibit.
Yes.
And one is the material exhibit.
Material exhibit.
Here it appears that the hoe was
Material
produced as a material exhibit.
Material exhibit.
And he says that so far as the dao and the axe are concerned, those were seized. And he is a scissor witness.
Yes.
Because he said, exhibit 1-2 is my signature therein.
Yes.
And exhibit 1 pertains to the dao and the
Dao.
axe.
Dao.
But there, immediately after he said, I have seen material exhibit 1, that is the hoe, doesn't matter.
Hmm.
Police did not obtain my signature when they seized the dao and the axe.
May I just clarify that?
How is it possible?
Exhibit 1, page 56.
56. Yes, please.
Page 56. His name is P.W. Pranjal Gogoi.
Yes.
I'm sorry, Thagiram Gorgohai, PW2.
His name is Thagi Gohai is there at page 57.
57. It continues. The scissor list starts from 56. So only a blood-stained hoe with blood-stained bamboo handle was seen. He was not present when the dao and the axe was seized from his house, accused house.
Okay. But so far as PW one is concerned, kindly come back to page 10.
Yes,
Exhibit, page 10, first line. Police seized the dhow from the house of accused. Exhibit one is the scissor list. Which
Yes.
is this exhibit one?
exhibit one is a hoe, but which was uh, uh, recovered from the jungle, and he says that from house. In fact, it should have been
No.
exhibit two. In PW one,
No, PW one has also signed exhibit one. 56 also got the signature of Pranjal Gogoi.
this is one type one. I do not know whether it is valid with the original one, because PW one also signed in PW exhibit one as well as exhibit two, both. 58 page is the exhibit two, like the list.
What is the name of the petition, accused number, I mean the PW two president?
Thakiram Buragohai.
Hogi.
Thakiram Buragohai.
But Pranjal has not said anything about exhibit two.
No. But he has, from the scissor list, it appears that he has signed both exhibit one.
He has to prove in the court.
Yeah.
His signature has to prove that this is my signature, I signed it.
Correct.
So far as PW two is concerned, it has not been proved by PW one. It may be proved by somebody else, that's a different matter. But PW one, though his signature appears, he has not said anything about exhibit two.
Exhibit two here. Now PW three is nephew of the accused.
Just give us
Front of the-
just to give us 2 minutes.
Yes.
Pranjal is PW one, correct?
Yes.
Down. And we're coming back to PW one.
Yes.
At page 10. Page 10. See the cross-examination?
Except the down, no other.
Except that no other articles are seized in my presence. He proves exhibit one
As
with
well
his
as exhibit-
signature, which pertains to a hoe. And in his cross-examination, he said that except that thou no other articles, and thou has not been proved. Thou is exhibit two. So far as PW one is concerned, the aspect of his seizing part, I don't think it may not have been proved in accordance with law.
Yes, correct. Because in exhibit two also, we found that his signature is there.
But he has not proved
He has
exhibit
not
two.
proved it. But in one, who also he has is a witness. He was a witness. As well as in thou also he was a witness. But he has spoken only about this thou.
But not proved. Who he did not speak about, but he proves the exhibit one.
Probably these are village men, and probably thou, who, these are similar type of.
No. What are you saying?
Who is little bit.
No. What is a hoe? Hoe is different. Hoe is almost like a spade.
This is spade.
No, spade almost like a spade. Dao is a cutting weapon. Hoe is for digging and all.
Oh.
Mm.
Probably it's hard. Even the egg was also not exit. Although it was seed, it was not exit.
Let us proceed.
Yes.
And we are at exhibit PW2. PW2. Exhibit 1 code. I have seen material exhibit. Yes.
But there,
And this extrajudicial confession thing he did not say before the police.
police.
Okay, then
PW3, the aunt of the accused.
Makhani Burago hai.
Right.
Yes.
I know the informant. The accused is the son of my husband's younger brother. I knew that the incident occurred 1 year ago. Our village headman informed me over phone that a murder had taken place and asked me to go there. Going to the place of occurrence, I saw that the police had kept the accused and Vinita's head dead body surrounded. I heard the public caught the accused when he had brought Vinita's dead body to bury it after killing her. I saw injury on the dead body. The head was almost severed. Only a piece of skin was holding the head and it was hanging. I saw an injury caused by hacking with dao in the head. He was smeared in blood. I did not ask him anything. I found a hole near the accused. I went to the house of the accused along with the police. A dao and egg of the accused were found inside the house. Blood was found sticking to the dao as well as the egg. The police seized the dao and the egg. Exhibit 2, 1 is my signature. In Exhibit 2, the seizure list. Material Exhibit 2 is the dao and the egg together. Seized by police. In process Doesn't know anything.
Okay. Yes, yes, please.
But the next witness, the brother of the accused. Also, the
বেলেগ এটা দিব সেইটো লৈ যাওঁ ফটো লৈ যাওঁ লিখা যাব চাগে অলপ হেৰি কৰিলে
well, let's just read out. I know the accused and the informant. I knew their disease. I am the brother of the accused. The incident occurred last year. I was plowing on the day of incident and the BDP secretary called me to my house. I was told that accused murdered his wife and kept the body on a field. I saw dead body and the injuries. Postmortem was done. I saw the seized spade before the scissor. Exhibit 2 is the scissor list. 2 is my signature. Uh,
yes
Here also there is some little bit confusion regarding exhibit 2. Because in exhibit 2, the thou and X was there. But he says this spade. Exhibit 2 is scissor disc. And in exhibit 2, we find only the thou bamboo thou with bamboo handle and a bloodstained X. So this witness also saying something different regarding exhibit.
difference between a spade and a hoe. Spade is either a kudal or a belcher. This is the hoe. The hoe means the normal kudal we said. The can spade is also to Speed. Speed is also this, you can belch out just to move the sands and all, no?
But we normally understand this.
This is the hoe, it's called a hoe, it's actually a hoe. Hoe means a kudan. Spades are these actually, these are spades that to lift, dig and lift. Hoe is the, it's only thing that with the hoe you put the strike like this, with this spade you strike like this. Normally in a household, we have the hoe, not the spade. Spade is used for commercial activities and all.
This is only sober.
This is spade.
Sober.
So well,
So this is bad.
or is this spade?
What I've understood is this spade is this one. Maybe it's
Oh,
a-
there's hardly any difference. So,
one this spade.
yes. This is the see, household thing. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh. No, got any.
okay.
And in non-probability, the one which you, the kudal is normally used in villages, not the bells. Yes.
My lord, the next witness. My lord, I was in brothers
Yes.
in cross examination. Several people was there in the place of occurrence when I reached. Relation between brother and his wife was good. I do not know how the incident occurred and who committed it personally. Now the PW5 is
Yes. Just
cultivated.
a minute.
Maybe two. X.
Yes, yes. Exhibit to Dow and the X.
X. Sitting with these two,
Mm.
exhibit one.
Okay, yes, please.
Well, your lordship will recall in PW3, says material exhibit 2 is the Dow and X together.
Yes,
As page 14, last line.
yes.
But here from the judgment, the material exhibit which were mentioned in page 55, its material exhibit 2 is only the seized Dow. X was not exhibit. Anyway, I'm coming to page.
There may not be a correct and appreciation because we have the exhibit 2 before us.
Yes.
It has got Dow and X.
But in the judgment,
Judgment may not be a correct appreciation or reflection.
Yes.
It's
the
okay.
scissor list is there.
Scissor list is there.
PW5,
He's a co-villager or what?
co-village. And the accused says that the accused confessed before him.
We saw the.
I do not know the informant, but I know the accused. I also knew the disease. 2 years ago, incident occurred. At 7:30 a.m., we saw that the disease was being taken out on his shoulder by the accused. Then I was plowing. A spade was with the accused. I informed PDP secretary. Accused kept the dead body near the grazing Paschim Pali Katia. We went there and saw several injury marks on his body. There was big injury mark on the neck of the deceased. Police came, apprehended the accused. Deceased was the wife of the accused. Accused confessed his guilt. Now in cross-examination, he says, I was at Paddy Field. The Paddy Field is half-kilometer away from the house of Jyoti. Later on says that 150 meters away. BTP Secretary, Police Officer and Jan Buragohai along with myself was present while he confessed. I did not see the incident. It is not true that accused did not make confession.
He is a crucial witness because he is the only person till now who
But-
has deposed, testified that he had seen the accused carrying the body of the deceased on his shoulder along with a spade.
Spade.
And the only
In fact,
thing
5 and 6 both are crucial.
six is also seen. So here there is one scope for you to argue that he saw from a distance, even if you go by the corrected version, he saw from a distance of 150 meters.
No, he says that
First he said half a kilometer,
yes,
then he said 150. So giving the benefit of doubt to him, let it be lesser distance, 150.
Yes.
But 150 meters is also not a very small distance to visualize something. 150.
but he, uh,
This PW5, what is his age?
What is it?
45. Date of death. Well, if we read the cross again, I was at Paddy Field. The Paddy Field is half-kilometer away from the house of Jyoti. Later on says that 150 meters away. BDP Secretary, Police Officer and John Boragoy along with myself was present while he confessed. I did not see the incident. It was not true that accused did not make confession. So he only says about the house of the accused is half-kilometer away. But he doesn't, in the cross, it has not come. So from what distance he has seen that the accused is carrying the dead body.
No, accused was carrying obviously from the house. This would be in the context of the house. Maybe first he had said half a kilometer. Is it possible from half a kilometer to visualize? So then he realized, he said that it's not half kilometer, it's 150 meters.
150.
But even from 150 meters, that is not a very less kind of a distance. Of course, the time is at 7:30 a.m. It's
7:30
visible, its light is there. That's not a problem.
Yes. So, July.
Okay, next.
Now, PW6 is also vital. His house is just opposite to the house of the accused. He was also working in the Paddy Field.
Not know the-
May I read? I do not know the informant. I know the accused. 2 years ago, the incident occurred. I saw at 6 a.m. I was working at my paddy field. I saw accused carried his wife on his shoulder. He was carrying a spade. His wife was dead. We informed PDP, who informed police. Police came half hours later. We went with the police in the midst of grazing land. Accused tried to conceal the body. Police asked me about the incident. Now in cross he says, my house is situated in front of the house of the accused. We can hear if one shouts from there. On that day, I did not hear hue and cry. Accused and his wife used to quarrel, but no case was lost. After 1 hour of my coming to Pettyfield, I saw the accused. Local people gathered at the place. On the night also, I did not hear hue and cry. I did see the dead body, but from distance. I do not know how wife of the accused died. Both 5 and 6, PW 5 and 6, they were at Pettyfield. And while the accused was carrying the dead body, both of them have sinned.
He does not speak about the confession,
No,
unlike
but
PW
the
five.
common thing between 5 and 6 that both of them are at Pettyfield at the time when the accused was carrying the dead body of his wife. That is the common. Now PW 7 is the village head. He only accompanied the police to the place of occurrence. I know the informant and the accused. I know the disease. She was wife of the accused. At the morning, BDP Secretary Rajiv Puragohai informed me that the accused cut his wife. I telephoned the matter police. From there, with police, I came to the house of the accused. There was nobody. At the house, as the house was open, we saw blood all over the house. Nearby people who were plying told to police that accused took the dead body to grazing land field. We went there. We saw that accused kept his wife on ground and was digging land to that is eligible his wife there. I saw that the neck of the disease was severely cut. There are other cut marks. Before police, he told that he killed his wife. Police arranged postmortem. In cross, he says, I went to the place of occurrence with police. Incident may occur at night. Accused was about to dig land. It is not true that accused confessed guilt before put.
Okay. Yes.
That PW8 is the IO. Got it.
Yes. Ayu.
IO.
Yes, please.
On last P7/2017, I was posted at Khapekhaiti PS as OC. BDP Secretary Rajiv Boragohai informed me over phone that the accused, after killing his wife, took the body towards jungle. I reached the place occurrence and saw that on a grazing field, accused was sitting near the dead body. I arrested him there, seized a spade, which was bloodstained. I examined the witnesses, drew the sketch map. Dead body was forwarded for postmortem. Exhibit 1, scissor list. Exhibit 1-3 is my signature. Exhibit 3, sketch map. Exhibit 3-1 is my signature. After leading to his house by the accused, I searched the house and found one blood-stained da and one blood-stained. They were this something is missing here.
X perhaps.
Expert. They were also seized. Exhibit 2, another scissor list, and Exhibit 2-3 is my signature. On that day, one brother of accused, Tapan Kaur, lodged FIR. Accused was remanded by police court to custody after his production. I also seized blood-stained cloth of the accused. Exhibit 4 charge sheet. Exhibit 4 charge 1 is my signature. I prepared another sketch map. Exhibit 5 sketch map. Exhibit 5-1 is my signature. These articles were sent to FSL. Alert this is very important because the FSL report is not being activated. These articles were sent to FSL. I have collected the PM report, FSL report. I also collected the FSL report. Thereafter, I forwarded charge sheet. Initially, after receiving telephonic information, I made GT entry number 29, dated 3/7/2017. Exhibit 6, extract copy of GTE. Exhibit 6-1 is my signature. Exhibit 7, charge sheet. Exhibit 7-1 is my signature. Now, in his cross, he says, when I found the accused at grazing field, I saw several persons were there, watching accused from a distance. Prior to that incident, I did not receive any complaint against the accused. There is not eyewitness to the incident. There should be no eyewitness. In the FSL report, blood group could not be confirmed. So this is very important. In the FSL report, blood group could not be confirmed. The forensic report of the DA yielded negative report of human blood. Accused confessed his guilt. Prayer before court to record confession was made. There are several houses of other people near the house of the accused. Witness Dipen and Jayanto did not tell me specifically that on the day of incident they heard hue and cry. It is not a fact that I did not conduct investigation properly. So from the cross, it came up that the TA yielded negative report of human blood. Let the informant, the brother of the victim, is speed up to 9. He also doesn't know anything. He thought it says I have lost one FIR.
Who's Tapan?
He is the informant, brother of the victim.
Victim.
This is
Okay. Yes.
he says I have lost one FIR. I know the accused. Disease was my sister. Incident occurred 2.5 years ago. On the day of incident, Hiren Chetia informed me
Tapan is also the informant, right?
Yep.
He's the
he
informant.
is the accused killed my sister. We went there. We say that the dead body was wrapped with a thari. When accused was taking the dead body to conceal it, local people saw it and informed police. I lodged exhibit 8, exhibit 8.1 is my signature. In cross he says, I do not know about other matter. Sister did not tell me anything. I have not seen injuries. I was only asked to put my signature. I have not seen the
Yes.
So basically the informant is not aware of anything. PW10 is the medical officer.
Yes.
On 4 3 on 3/7/2017, I was posted at Chittorgarh Civil Hospital as senior medical and health officer. 1. On that day, I performed a postmortem on the dead body of Vinita Kumar Kuragahai, aged 31. Body was identified by UTC Ramesh Singh, Rajiv Buragohai, Bhuvan Buragohai in reference with Sapet 30 PS DDT number 29 dated 3/7/2017. On examination, detected clotted blood present around neck and chest. Rigor mortis present, own position. Number 1, neck completely detached, just above clavicle, only skin is attached. Size 7 inch, length 6 inch depth, muscles, vessels were detached. Injury number 2, frontal head, left side, cut injury, 6 inch length, 5 inch depth, bone matter came out, bone detached. Injury number 3, chest region, left side, size of injury 4 inch length, 2 inch depth, penetrating injury by sharp weapon. Injury number 4, left hand areas around wrist joint size, 3-inch length and 2-inch depth, vessels were cut. Injury number, it should be 5. Backside of occipital region, size of injury 4-inch in length, 3-inch in depth, vessel cut. Above injury number 2 was also related to scalp area also, hemorrhage present in membrane. Brain and spinal cord, brain matter came out from side of injury. Prox, skull, ribs and cartilage, left side of chest, 3, 3rd, 4th and 5th rib are fractured. And penetrating injury found, left lung, clotted blood present due to penetrating injury, size is 2-inch length and 3-inch depth. All vessels of neck are dissected due to cut injury. Internal vessels also detached. All injuries caused severe hemorrhage and patient died due to shock and hemorrhage. Duration of injury 14 to 18 hours, 14 stroke 18 hours. Opinion, patient expired due to multiple cut injury and shock and hemorrhage. Exhibit 8 postmortem report. Exhibit 8.1 is my signature. In cross, I did not find any identity card of the victim. I don't know what type of question was put. So from the PW10, since the disease was murdered heinous, brutally. Multiple cut, head was severe.
Okay, yes.
These are the all prosecution witnesses. In 313, the accused denied everything, and the last question was put to him whether he would like to say something about cigarette. Says no. And no defense witnesses were given. And by the judgment dated 27th of February 2020, started Judge Sarai there has convicted the accused and sentenced to undergo imprisonment for life and pay a fine of 55 in default. So, my lord,
What are your, how do you formulate your arguments?
my lord, this is the case where all the circumstantial evidence, including the PW prosecution witness 5 and 6, they are the vital witnesses. They have seen the accused to carrying the dead body of his wife to the jungle while they are in the paddy field. So all the circumstantial evidence, including his confession, although it was extrajudicial confession was not recorded, but all the circumstances pointed to the fact that only the accused person, being the husband of the deceased, has committed the crime. Well, in my opinion, this judgment of the learned additional session just does not suffer from any irregularity and should be upheld. I do not find anything, any anomaly except the FSL report.
No,
is-
you are arguing that there is no direct evidence.
There's no direct evidence.
Evidence
No
is
eyewitness,
circumstantial in nature, and out of those, 5 and 6
two
have
witnesses.
seen the accused, the appellant, carrying the
Carrying
body
dead
of
body.
the deceased
Is it?
towards the field, and thereafter information was given to the police, and police came. He was caught along with the body.
Yes. And
Now,
some say some witnesses say before the police also he has confessed that he has killed the, but that was not recorded.
No, so far as the confession is concerned, there is no confession in accordance with law, which
No.
is required. So
Yes.
the other aspect is extrajudicial confession. Let us examine the extrajudicial confession first. Extrajudicial confession, no doubt, would be evidence, maybe a weak piece of evidence which
Weak piece of
requires
evidence.
corroboration. But let us see what is an extrajudicial confession. Extrajudicial confession first. Uh, PW, I think two said.
Two.
Two said. Two said, let us see two at page
Page
12, page 12.
12.
Yes. And that we have seen. Police, public got him so injured. No. Police is the down. Car engineer. When we asked the accused about this, he replied that he had killed his wife. Police is the Dow and the Ho. Okay, this is the first. And so far as extrajudicial confession is there, I did not state whatever. There is no. Here there will be a catch again. And so far as cross-examination is concerned, the last part.
Yes.
I did not state before the police about the confession of the accused that he had killed his wife. So it amounts to an improvement. It
Yes.
may not be contradictory or conflicting, but it was an omission.
Yes.
No
But,
doubt. It was not.
On oath, he has not stated anything regarding that.
No, he has said. In the cross-examination, when the defense had put the question that did you say anything about this before the police, his answer was negative. So in his 161, there was no such utterance. So there appears to be an improvement in the court.
Yes.
In the court, he introduces this extrajudicial confession thing, not before the police. Okay, so that is one. And so far as the next extrajudicial confession is there, it is PW 5 at page 17. 18 is the last line, accused confessed his guilt. But you have to read in the context of two lines before that.
Yes.
There was a big injury on the mark of the police came and apprehended the accused. So this confession was made before the police.
And in class also he corroborated this. BDP secretary, police officer at Jan Buragohai along with myself was present while he confessed.
So this confession is before the police.
Police.
It will not have any meaning. Is there any other confession?
So much.
So the only crucial witness would be 5 and 6,
5
who had stated that they had seen the
in the
deceased
accused.
being carried on the shoulder by the accused in the morning. And both of them are plowing at that time, early in the morning, 7:30. So far as PW6 is concerned,
Yes.
he says that his house is in the vicinity, in front rather.
In front of
In front, he did not hear any hue and cry in the earlier evening. In the cross, he says house is in front. It's at a hearing distance. He did not hear any shouts or any hue and cry in the earlier evening. At page 20.
Yes. this doesn't mean that something has not happened that night.
No, see, the incident was of hacking.
Yes.
And there were multiple injuries. So if there are multiple injuries, the normal what we consider is that there will be a lot of hue and cry, shouting. That was not there.
But if you see the cut to the neck,
That is one cut. There are
One
many cuts.
one cut.
So if no, there are many injuries.
Other
Even in the
injuries
leg,
from the other part.
even the leg, body, there are
Yes.
many other.
And which one is earlier, we do not know.
The blood stains in the house were not. It was not collected, neither sent for FSL. Dow says that FSL, that blood
Negative.
stains are not of human.
Human.
So,
Others say the positive for human blood, but others says positive test, but grouping could not be done. Sir, my lord, on because I don't know why it was not exhibited.
not exhibited. Not exhibited. What about the blood stained other? And he says that the most important aspect would have been, madam,
Madam.
that the apparels of the deceased were not the deceased, the accused were also seized. IO says that where is the IO? IO is
Eight.
8. At page 24, he has said that he sees the blood-stained clothes of the accused.
It was said
No,
before
if
that.
the blood stains on the accused apparel would have matched with the blood stains of the deceased matter, there would have been a great connection. That has not been proved.
That is not been proved, but it says, my lord, lordship, there's a report, I don't know why it was like.
If it is not exhibited, it is not proof. It has to be proved in accordance with law.
It says by 3867 that.
Mr.
is my
Dhar,
lord.
where are you surrendering? Do you have a good case, we think?
My lord,
Let us try to make an endeavor. You said that these 5 and 6 are enough. Criminal trial has to be proved beyond all reasonable doubt. Apart from seeing the dead body being, or whatever, body being carried on the shoulder, apart from that, there is no other proof. And that
Yes,
one
then
says,
an
I saw
FS
from a distance
FSL
of half a kilometer, he improves. Half a kilometer, you cannot be able to see somebody. He improves to make it 150 meters. 150 meters is also not a less
Not-
distance.
yes.
You cannot be certain who was him, who was carrying whom. He even saw a spade from a distance of 150 meters.
but the 6 is steady.
Exhibit 1 and 2, there are conflicts.
Yes, there are conflicts.
I think you have a case, you
My lord,
have not
exhibit
done your
4,
homework, or you have not thought in that manner.
exhibit 4 are the uh, wearings of the accused. These were taken. These were, whether these were sent to FSL,
It was sent. It was sent. You see,
the PO says, the IO
no,
says.
the IO says 24. There is no matching. That would have been a great connection. That the blood of the deceased are in your apparels, because while hacking, some blood fell on your body. And 27, if at all 27 is invoked, you have not, there is no 27, there is no evidence on 27. There is only one line that the accused has led the police
Yes.
to the house. House was already open, somebody had already entered into the house. This
The
one,
BDP,
he
secretary.
says, who one says, no?
Yes, BDP secretary says.
Yes,
W7.
PW7 at page
PW7.
21 says, he came to the house with police. And police says that accused had led to his house. Then they stained the bloodstained Da and the bloodstained X, exhibit 2. And what is also interesting, IO maybe by over enthusiasm, he says that even the spade was bloodstained. Spade was not the murder weapon at all, if at all. Spade was used to bury the body. the hoe or the spade, whatever you say. Come to page 23.
Yes.
He was arrested and the seized spade
Spade.
was blood-stained. This aspect nobody has said.
And in the absence of this FSL report,
Let us see the FSL report. Oh, it's not exhibited. Oh, no point. Yes. But IO says something about FSL report.
yes,
No. What? Who said that the Da gave negative test? I only said I.
I was it, page
It's true,
24,
your lordship, Da gave negative.
page
Exhibit Da.
24.
That means when the IO had adduced evidence, the FSL report was already with him.
Right.
For some reasons, the FSL report could not be proved. But he has deposed from the FSL report because he would not have come to the conclusion how the Da gives negative.
Right.
The others, he could have said that the wearing apparels of the accused, his
Gave positive
jeans
take.
pant and his whatever other colored Genji contains blood stain of suspected grouping was not there. That's okay.
Page 24. The FSL report group, blood group could not be confirmed.
He says, I have collected PM report, FSL report at page 24. But PM has been proved as Exhibit 8 by the doctor. FSL not proved. Maybe the officer was also not examined. That is why. He could have proved it.
Observe that they have a case. I was under the impression, my lord, prosecution has got a case, my lord. My lord. Lordship, full,
Circumstantial evidence.
My lord. My lord.
And the basic fundamental elemental thing is that you have to prove from the first to the last.
beyond all reasonable.
Beyond order to that, the link has to be complete.
Com-
Here we are just thinking aloud that except 5 and 6, who had stated about carrying of the body of a body.
And-
Then what are the other change? What are the other links?
Lordship, probably the accused shares the burden under 106. Because they used to, although it hadn't come up on evidence, that they used to live together, but they were husband and wife, your lordship. Under what circumstances he was carrying the dead body over his shoulder
No,
and
once
went to
you-
bury it, my lord.
Once you establish once you discharge your burden, you build up a chain, you build up a links. There is a direct connection in all the circumstances chain. There is no break. After that, we can ask, what did you do? You are in the same room, 106. There is no probability of any third person coming. Or if the
Correct.
third person had come, you should have raised the hue and cry. Suppose night somebody had come, intruder had come, caused the offense. Why did you take the body to body? And that too in a secret manner, 7:30 in the morning.
Lordship, and from the postmortem report, which could be discharged, my lord, the date has been committed within 14 to 18 hours. That would be wee hours when everyone is inside the house, my lord. They were inside the room.
That would be one of the suspicion, but that would be a proof.
Postmortem report reveals, your lordship, examination was done at 2:25 p.m. on 3/7/2017, and duration of injury is 14 to 18 hours. So your lordship, if your lordship goes back, it would be around lordship 12 a.m. or
12 midnight.
Yes,
That is
midnight,
okay, those are
my lord.
speculation, but will that be enough? Will it be enough? to
the
hold-
accused did not make any hue and cry. If someone has seen his wife lordship in a precarious condition with so many injuries.
There is also evidence that there were many houses surrounding this particular house.
Lordship,
There was no human child.
there was no hue and cry. And your lordship, my learned friend may be correct in saying that on which part he was injury was made first, my lord. If it was on the neck, then your lord, it was almost severe, my lord. Then there is no possibility of making any hue and cry, my lord.
As his neck is severe, will it be a necessity to again make injuries on the body, on the leg?
My lord,
There are many multiple injuries.
Multiple injuries.
multiple-
And your lordship, blood was found all over his residence, all over the room.
Only one person has said, the others have not said, it's not supported.
that
There is not a-
PW7,
There is not a question,
PW7,
except one.
Log 4.
You see the PW3, Makoni,
Makoni.
on,
My lord.
she
It does
went to the
say.
house along with police, found Dao and X. No mention of any blood seen in the house. PW4 says relationship is good in cross-examination. At page 16, is the brother of the accused, not even of the deceased side.
No, but your lordship, PW6 is the immediate neighbor. John Borgoha as per the sketch map. There is required.
Brother of the accused, who should have,
yes,
He
he
might
said,
know, my lord, because it's not an immediate neighbor, your lord. It's the immediate neighbor who is a better person to comment about.
who can be called to the police? Maybe FIR was lodged at a later stage.
My
by
lord.
the brother.
There was GD until also, my lord. Page 66.
yes,
It was
Here, PW7 claims that he telephoned the police. First,
my lord,
before-
PW7 says, I telephoned the matter, police.
yes, it was
But
informed.
before that,
Yes.
PW7 also says that the BJP secretary Rajiv Buragohain had informed him.
Yes.
Yes.
That is, most natural to expect that Rajiv Buragohain being the BJP secretary would also inform the police.
Yes.
So the DB entry was, it has been proved, I think.
GTN pay, that is. GTN pay 66, you know.
Exhibit 6.
Yes.
Rajiv, who is Rajiv?
Rajiv PW4. Neighbor, my.
Four. Four is the brother.
Brother.
Where's Rajiv?
His name is Rajiv.
Oh, I think
Yes, PW4.
four is the video. Call him. While you're replying.
There must be two Rajiv then.
Where is this?
PDP, your lordship, PW2, Bogiram.
Pokiram is not the person who is the VTP president.
But there is only one Rajiv,
He is the brother.
PW4.
Brother.
See the GTN.
Brother of the accused and neighbor of.
Yes, CDNP. See the GTNP at page
It-
66.
BDP secretary.
Where is this Rajiv Borgohain? And this is Rajiv Borgohain. This.
Not
where is
Pura
Rajiv?
Guhai.
Rajiv is not examined.
No.
As per the charge sheet, there is only one Rajiv. That is Rajiv Puragoy, son of Bhimkanta Puragoy, whether same or one person. Bhimkanta. The witness.
And this president of the VDP as PW2 at page 11, he also mentioned about one Rajiv. And kindly come to page 11.
Yes, Rajiv
One
informed.
time, Rajiv informed me that a murder has taken place. So this Rajiv cannot be PW4 because he himself was informed by the VDP secretary. While he was plowing him from the next day. And one more thing, Madam Priya,
My lord.
if you come to the agenda at page 4. Page 4, the agenda which was registered. You come to registration for the FIR part, the first one, page 1. Kindly come to the gates. The date when the FIR was logged was 3/7, correct?
3/7, 3
And
PM.
come to the occurrence of third.
Occurrence 2/7,
Sunday,
7.
7 PM. Information 3/7 at 3 PM. Video entry 3/7.
ten 30 AM.
AM. 3/7.
Seven thirty, they see a person carrying a body suspicious circumstance. Till 9:30, police is not informed. First,
Lordship, may I see the distance?
see the,
5 kilometer.
Sketch map, this is a horrible sketch map. At page 60.
No, this is one of the sketch maps. There's one more sketch map, my lord.
Page
Page 64,
60.
where the residences are. Here, the names of neighbors, residences of neighbors were given. Ipen and Joyanto. And Joyanto says, my lord, they used to have quarrel. Lordship, direction and distance from PS 5 kilometers.
page
Please,
direction
direction and distance from PS
is
5 kilometers. Doctor accuses carrying the dead body on shoulder and the weapon of offense was, one of the weapon of offense was also with Paid.
Has to be connected with the deceased. It has not been connected. You send it to FSL, there is no fingerprint.
he taken that part of.
No, everything has to be taken together.
Probably these circumstances could prove the guilt against the accused person.
Once it is circumstantial evidence, we look for a complete chain, unbroken chain. There's suspicion has been resolved.
But his conduct, your lordship, he remained mum, my lord. But his subsequent conduct, he sees his wife, he found his wife, was your lord, he found his wife in a vigorous condition. Lordship. And he remained mum, my lord, didn't do anything.
Circumstantial, there has to be a complete. There's no way around.
But just to point out that one thing. PW7,
Sir, Dhar, you are practicing from having arguments. You have said that he is guilty.
PW7,
You're right.
no, my lord, I'm still on that. That is why I'm on PW7. He says that page 22,
7,
that's 7, page 22.
below.
Yes. Yes, sir. He says, page 22, we saw the accused kept his wife on the ground and was digging land to eligible something, his wife there. In cross-examination also, he has said the same thing. He says, accused was about to dig land. That part,
About to dig land.
He tried to conceal the dead body.
That may be 201.
201.
What about the rest?
302.
The name of the day.
302.
Okay. Okay. Why don't you- What are the reasons? Timing? The timing is also good. And then, here's the other two.
8 also.
Abla is fine.
Why do you- what is-
They came back, item 8.
They come for you.
Item 8, they came back. That he had taken a
Come
consent.
after some time. What about 3? The player is gone. This was what? What about 5? What after this?
After,
This was 6.
this was 6.
What about after this? And
8 was for after some time, but he came back after some time.
8 is connected with 9.
No, there's no 9. This I.
This is 9. 8. Okay. Where is the point? Here. Come back. One two five nine of 2015 has been dismissed. and 5824 has been allowed. However, with the condition that all other legal requirements, including clearance renewal by the statutory bodies, are to be scrupulously met. Because the DC's power you could not be able to trace out.
Completely okay.
I think one.
Only pass the data for the type. The cat don't take it over.
Timing will be difficult because difficult. And these are exceptions from tomorrow, perhaps this single bench will not be listed. This week, next week we do not know. What was the matter? We have heard this for some.
Lordship, 30 matter. Last date, the lordship, but the contract copy.
We forgot this matter long time back. 26/6. When is he likely to come? No,
The next item is in
not be possible.
records are available.
Heard Dr. A. Todi, learned counsel for the petitioner. First of, however, a prayer for accommodation has been made on behalf of Sri S.C. Kyle, learned standing counsel CGST. Full stop. It has however been informed that the records have been obtained. Para? List after a week.
But
Yes.
but
I did too. What is this to 13 matter? What, how is it parted? Mr. Kejriwal?
Was heard the last to this by your lord. I have taken your lord. to
Which
see-
matter?
This is land acquisition.
Land acquisition. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Yes.
The lordship heard the matter at some 10:30. Requires full fledged hearing. What has happened, my lord, is there are as many as 6 land acquisition cases.
Let it be heard by the regular bench. This bench, it's a very temporary one. And tomorrow onwards, there will be no single bench also. Let it be heard by the
And this
regular
requires
bench.
a busy hearing.
But with this 13 matter, we'll have it this week, Thursday.
Definitely.
Day after tomorrow. Ah,
Lord, not day after. There is a parted matter.
okay, whenever you say, next week, next Tuesday? Okay.
Next Tuesday.
Ah. List, on request list on Tuesday next, before the appropriate bench. Full stop. Matter is not to be treated as parted. Can Mr. Kyle come now? No. Tuesday, Mr. Mazumdar, you're there?
Yes.
Okay. Some impending things coming up, so we need to
Hello,
give some
some
time. Okay.
HSRT,
Yes. And we will have
regular.
the other activities, Arunachal, this building.
Oh, yes, possibly
It's a major thing is coming
Ah.
up, 9th or 10th probably.
answered, still not met. Possibly
Most likely on 10th, but
CJ's
yes, that is it. We'll all require your participation, cooperation.
I'll try.
Okay.